Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from your favorites on an iPhone. Whether it's a photo you no longer want in your favorites album or a contact you don't need quick access to anymore, I'll walk you through both processes step by step. Let's get started. If you're trying to remove a photo from your favorites album, open the Photos app and go to the Favorites section. Find the photo you no longer want marked as a favorite, then tap the heart icon at the bottom. The heart will turn from blue to gray, meaning it's no longer in your favorites. The photo itself won't be deleted. It will just move back into your regular photo library. Now, if you want to remove a contact from your favorites, in the phone app, open the phone app and tap the Favorites tab at the bottom. This section lists the contacts you've marked for quick access. Find the person you want to remove, then swipe left on their name and tap Delete. If you prefer another way, you can also tap Edit in the top right corner. From there, tap the red minus button next to the contact, then tap Remove. Once you're done, tap Done to save the changes. The contact won't be deleted from your phone, just removed from your favorites list. That's all you need to do to remove someone from your favorites on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.